Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to stop Messenger automatic send photo problem or how to fix Messenger send photo problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Go to search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Go back. Click on Apps Permission. Scroll down. Turn off Camera, File and Media Apps Permission turn off. Step 4. Open your Messenger application. Click on 3 line. Click on setting icon. Scroll down. Tap on Photo and Media. Turn off Save on Capture option. Then turn off. Go back. You can follow all of the steps to fix how to stop Messenger automatic send photo problem or fix Messenger send photo problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.